What you doing?
So we're sitting on our new Vinos trailer that we just got. It's a snowmobile trailer. Both ends, the front and the rear, come down on it. And it's basically, we live in Southern California, so you don't find snowmobile trailers out here. We actually found this trailer on Facebook Marketplace, and we got a pretty good deal on it. And yeah, the reason we got a Vinos is so we could drive, well, let the trailers can drive the motorcycle up into it. And we also got it so that we could be able to load up stuff in here and have a full breeze that goes through it. Basically, if you notice, both these open up. And the door will come down like that. So,
What type of ceiling does this have?
this roof is a rounded roof. It is not a one piece. It is several pieces up there, but it's several solid pieces. So it's not like it's just a bunch of like random pieces. They're a couple pieces put together pretty well. Pretty heavy duty. It's got the nice lip up top. You always, when you get a trailer, you want that lip on there to help make the rain come off there, so it doesn't go inside the door seam. And then come around the back. The back will drop down like this and come down. So basically, it'll come. Needs a new handle. Not a big deal for the price we got it at, but it'll basically grab onto the handle and you'll be able to pull it down like this, and the whole door will come down like this to the ground, and you can drive the motorcycle up in here. Let's get into that. Hey, the trash can works to make this flat.
I'll move the trash.
No, it's fine. We'll grab them together.
So RJ is using a chalk marker to go ahead and mark where the wood needs to be cut. So he is lining up the old roofing panels to our new panels that we're going to put up, and then he's going to use that chalk line to be able to cut where the line should be. I need tape and I need a straight edge to be able to do it properly.
So basically, if you can see that I'm drilling and screwing, I'm screwing into these black pipes. These black pipes right here. And how I know how they're there is this wood is actually making a straight line on these panels going across from that end, and it goes straight across. So as long as I follow a line on here and follow it on the same spot from end to end, I know that I'm going to follow a straight line. I can go right into these black pipes that are hidden underneath here. For these, before I finish up the roof, all I did was cut a 2x6 in half, just so it wasn't too heavy. That I already had laying around. And then I got 2x4s and I just screwed it into the bottom of it, to where it's basically just lined up on top and bottom, making sure that these edges are a little bit rounded, so that it goes up against it. Got dust in my eyes. Dust.
Dust in my
Dust in my
eyes.
eyes.
I didn't realize I married Dracula. Some dust in my eyes.
I got some dust in my eyes. Last piece of roofing.
Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. I'm gonna need to stop what I'm doing, right?
Babe,
What?
I cut it the wrong way.
Question number 1. Did you double check your cuts?
No, I didn't. How'd I do that?
Because we just traced it from that one.
Yeah, we were tired.
Yeah. Okay. Don't do projects when you're tired. Don't. Well, we can finish that one another time.
If one of the scrap pieces fits the other piece, we can make 2 pieces out of it for the time being.
Yeah, we can do that until we get one new one. When you're working on big projects, it's super important that you don't like push yourself to get a bunch of stuff done and have expectations that are not realistic, because that's when you're going to run into a bunch of different speed bumps. So keep that in mind. And that's the wrong direction. Right? Because we want that middle side piece coming down.
You got a little tiny corner for the time being, which I can make 3 pieces in.
I'd say before you cut anything, you might want to figure out which pieces flow more naturally.
Let's see if this is the right shape, but reversed.
Okay, that's a good idea.
Then we just have to puzzle them on top of each other.
Do you want me to hold it?
Go to the top end and push over.
Okay. Like
That look
that?
good? That looks good, right? Yeah, that's that piece.